Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Eats, where we celebrate good food, good times, and those simple joys that bring us together. Today, we're talking about something truly special, a mega-head breakfast quiche that's perfect for Christmas morning. Imagine this, the kids are ripping open presents, laughter filling the house, the tree lights twinkling, and you're not stuck in the kitchen stressing over breakfast. Nope, you've got this beautiful golden quiche sliding out of the oven, filling the air with that savory, comforting aroma. Hot, hearty slices ready for everyone to enjoy together. No rush, no mess, just pure holiday magic. This quiche isn't just food, it's peace of mind, it's tradition. It's the gift of being present with the ones you love on the most wonderful morning of the year. And the best part? You prep it the night before. Let's make it happen. Christmas morning should be about memories, not mayhem. We've all been there. Up early, juggling coffee, wrapping paper everywhere, trying to cook while everyone waits. But it doesn't have to be that way. This quiche is your secret weapon. Prep it on Christmas Eve while the house is quiet, pop it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, just bake and serve. It's forgiving, it's delicious, and it's loaded with Southern comfort. Crispy bacon or sausage, cheesy goodness, fresh spinach for that pop of green, perfect for the holidays. It's more than a recipe. It's reclaiming your morning. It's saying yes to slowing down, to savoring the season. You deserve that. Your family deserves that. Let's create a tradition that'll have everyone looking forward to breakfast as much as the gifts. All right, let's gather what we need. This serves 8 generous slices, perfect for a family gathering. Super simple, y'all. 1 refrigerated pie crust, or homemade if you're feeling fancy. 8 large eggs. 1 cup heavy cream, or half and half for a lighter touch. 1 cup whole milk. 2 cups shredded cheese. I love a mix of sharp cheddar and Swiss. 1 pound breakfast sausage, or bacon cooked and crumbled. 2 cups fresh spinach, roughly chopped. 1 small onion, diced. Salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Trust me on this. Optional, a handful of diced bell peppers or mushrooms for extra flavor. Everything comes together easy. No fancy equipment needed. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit if you're baking right away. But we're prepping ahead, so we'll skip that for now. Unroll your pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish. Press it in gently. Crimp the edges if you like it pretty. Poke a few holes in the bottom with a fork, then blind bake for 10 minutes with pie weights or beans on parchment. This keeps it crispy, no soggy bottom. Let it cool. Step 2. Cook your sausage in a skillet over medium heat until browned. Add the diced onion and cook till soft, about 5 minutes. Toss in the spinach at the end. It'll wilt perfectly. Drain any excess grease. Step 3. In a big bowl, whisk those 8 eggs like you mean it. Add the cream, milk, salt, pepper, and that pinch of nutmeg. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Stir in 1.5 cups of the cheese and your sausage spinach mixture. Step 4. Pour everything into your cooled crust. Top with the remaining cheese for that gorgeous golden top. Now here's the magic. Cover tightly with plastic wrap and foil. Then refrigerate overnight. The flavors meld and deepen. It tastes even better. Christmas morning, preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the coverings, place the quiche on a baking sheet just in case, and bake for 45 to 55 minutes until the center is set and the top is beautifully browned. Let it rest 10 minutes before slicing. It'll hold together perfectly. This quiche is fluffy, flavorful, and foolproof. The custard is rich but not heavy. The filling hearty enough to keep everyone full till dinner. And it's customizable. Swap sausage for ham and add cranberries for a festive twist. Or go veggie with broccoli and feta. But more than that, it's about starting your Christmas with ease. No more missing the magic because you're flipping pancakes. This lets you be right there, coffee in hand, watching the joy unfold. There you have it, friends. Your stress-free Christmas morning quiche. Make it tonight, enjoy it tomorrow, and create those memories that last. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to Southern Eats for more comforting recipes, and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to Christmas breakfast? From my Southern kitchen to yours, Merry Christmas, y'all. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.